Okay, I'm making my own homemade Italian dressing, which is kind of good because I'm fighting a yeast infection. And I'm going to tone down on the spices because yesterday I made something that was really delicious, but I've got a bit of a yeast infection all over because I was on antibiotics. Anyways, 2 tablespoons. The recipe calls using for a jar, but I'm just going to put it all in here and use this to kind of whisk it around because I'm a little short on jars. 2 tablespoons extra virgin. Let me make sure we're in the camera. Okay, here we go. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Okay. This will do. Okay. All right. I made a bit of a mess here. Okay. 1 tablespoon red wine or white wine vinegar. I'm going to use red wine because that's what I have. And they say that's actually probably better anyway. There we go. Red wine vinegar. 2 teaspoons freshly grated Parmesan. Yeah, I've got Reggiano cheese that I need to use up. 2 teaspoons freshly grated. This is freshly grated too. 1. I'm going to be using this with some homemade gyoza. They're kind of like my pot stickers. Well, I have a mess to clean up here anyways. Okay, 1 teaspoon sugar. I'm going to be using this because I don't want to feed I have a cavity that I don't want to make worse. And I think using artificial sweetener might help out with that. Let me see. So we'll go ahead and use this. Yeah. Okay. So we'll use that. 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder. There we go. 1/8 teaspoon each basil, oregano, and parsley. Basil. Parsley. And oregano. See if I can spoon this. I don't know if this is going to work. That's good. Okay. Okay. All right. Next, I'm skipping the red pepper flakes, though if you guys are making this and you don't have a yeast infection, that might be a good idea for flavor. 1/4 teaspoon salt. I think I'm going to use, I don't like a lot of salt, so I'm going to go with 1/8 teaspoon salt. Or even less. There, that's it. And some freshly ground pepper. My Trader Joe's organic pepper. Very light on that. Now I'm going to just swish it all around. Yep. Yeah, I mean, I could use a jar, but this will work. Because I'm using it all up today. I'll put this in the refrigerator. What I do is, this is my dipping sauce for my gyoza, and I combine it like 50-50 this with soy sauce. And usually I get store-bought, but I decided to make my own dressing. Yeah. Let me see if I can get a... Looks like it's going to have an interesting flavor, huh? That artificial sweetener probably isn't working as good as real sugar. But let me see how that tastes. Oh, I know what's making it do that. It's the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. It's actually quite good. It's delicious. This is going to make a delicious dip. Yeah. And I don't think it'll upset my stomach either. Okay, let me see if I can give you a picture of it. Let me take this out. Bring it over to the light. There you go. That's what it looks like. Yep.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart's pure and strong. With the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah, fighting against the devil with order. She's a first, a passionate crusader. Stand by the side of conquer it all. Through space battles.